If you don't like using the Google search engine, you can very easily configure Bohemicus to use other engines. Just select an engine at the right at the Websearch tab. There are various engines available, like Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Wikipedia, Yandex, and so on. So as you can see, you can select it right here at the right in the Bohemicus window on the Websearch tab. So you can just select your favorite or preferred search engine. As you can see, there is a bunch of them like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yandex, Yahoo, Ask, Ecosia, Wikipedia, or a Czech search engine called Seznam. So let's say, for the sake of argument, that we would like to search on, let's say, Bing. So you can select Bing, and then we can try searching something like, for instance, this term appliance. So if you press Ctrl plus Alt plus G, it will search your term on your selected or with your selected search engine. As you can see, now we are on Bing, and as you can see, we have a very nice definition of an appliance. You can also try other engines, like, for instance, let's try this Czech engine Seznam, and it's pretty much the same story. So let's try to search electric kettle. So Ctrl plus Alt plus G again, and as you can see, it will search our selected term on our selected search engine site.